Good morning, friends. In last lecture, we have also completed exercise 7.1. So, exercise 7.1 is related with the cube. So, I think you have already learned 1 to 10 cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube 1000. Now if we go reverse of it, that is our cube root. We have completed the cube. Now we want to discuss with the cube root. So today topic is exercise chapter 7. Topic is cube root. That is exercise 7.2. Only two exercises are there. 7.1 already we have completed. Now we want to start 7.2. So before we start 7.2, what is our target? That we have to first understand what is cube root. So the symbol of cube root is like that. If I am not write 3 here, then it is called square root. But if I write 3, it is called cube root. So under root sign is called under root, but here it is 3. So we can say cube root. Now question, these are the examples. Cube root again. Cube root of 8 is 2. Question generally what we have learned, 2 cube is 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Then cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So if you remember 1 to 10 cube, then we can easily learn 1 to 10 cube root. So I am writing it here. Cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 216 is 6. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 729 is 9. And cube root of 1000 is 10. That you have to write. So when you are visualize the videos on that time, whatever important point that you should write. So I think you have to write this. That is cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of 125 is 5, cube root of 216 is 6, cube root of 343 is 7, cube root of 512 is 8, cube root of 729 is 9, and cube root of 1000 is 10. Write it now. I hope you have write it now. So compulsory you have to write these 2 times at least. So 5 that you have to write. So when you are visualizing the video, watching the video on that time, whatever I will say, that you have to write in your notebook. So now if you learn it up to 1 to 10, how it should become, that is important, how it should be come. So we have to first explain some easy sum. Start from 1 to 2 digit, 3 digit, and then 4 digit and 5 digit. Here 2 digit, how we get answer 4. 3 digit, how we get answer 4 digit, how we get answer. So we have to start from some easy sum. So 64, let me start from 64. How we can get answer 4. So what we have to do, it is a prime factor. So cube root by prime factorization method. So I have to start from 2. Here 32, again 2, here 16, again we have to go to 2, then 8, again go to 2, again 4, again 2, again 2, again to 1. always prime factor answer last digit is 1. It should be 1. So now 64. Cube root of 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 the power 3 into 2 the power 3. 2 the power 3 into 2 the power 3. So if I am writing like that, and here it is 3. So if I remove this cube root sign, then question is like that, 1 the power 3. If I remove this cube root, I have to write 1 the power 3. Now according to the 8th standard, if you open the bracket, multiply by 2, 3 multiply by Z3 cut. So 2 into 2 is 4. How we get answer 4? But it is not necessary to write this. Actually, I am explaining you. Or in the 9th standard, or if you go further, if I write 64 at here and it is cube root, so actually it is 64 1 upon 3. Now 64 means 4 the power 3. So this differ is 4, but it is with the not your level. Again, cube root of 64 means 64 power 1 by 3. Now 64 means 4 the power 3. Power of power multiply, you can get 4. But how we can do? You have to do it by prime factorization method. So which method is for you? That is prime factorization method. And we can get answer 2 into 2. To remove cube root, we will write 2 into 2. That is 4. That is why answer 4 is here. So you have to make prime factor mean. So it is 2 digit. Now we have to take the 3 digit prime factor. It is also important for us. So now start for 3 digit. That is 125. Now if I am writing 125, now you start from the 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. It is not divided by 2, 3. So the unit place is 5. So we can do it by 5. 25, again 5, 5, again 5, 1. So 125 cube root is equal to 5 the power 3. So 3 power removed. So answer is 5. So anyhow, I think 1 to 10 is easy that you have to learn it by heart. Now important, that is we have to start exercise 7.2, question number 1. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Topic is find the cube root by prime factorization method. I am explaining 3 and you have to complete your exercise. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. That is your homework. That you, when you visualize this on that time, always remember that you have to do this homework in your rough book. Exercise 7.2. So exercise 7.2, question 1 is prime factorization. That is why I am explaining 3 sums that is given as example in your text. So we have to start from first sum, that is 3, 3, 7, 5. So 3, 3, 7, 5. If I want to explain 3, 3, 7, 5, first of all I have to make it prime factor. Prime factor must be on the right hand side you can do in your book. So we have 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, that is 18. It means it is divided by 3. So 1, 1, 2 and 5. How I am writing 1, 1, 2 and 5? If we start from 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 that is 1, 15, 3 5s are 15. Now again 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 and 9. So sum of digit is 9, so we can easily do it by 3. So 3 3 are 9. 3 3 are 9, 22. Remaining 2 and 2, 22. 3 sevens are 21. That is 1, 5, 15. 3 are 15. Again, we can do it by 3 because 7 plus 3, 7 plus 10 plus 5, 15. Again, we can do it by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. Again we can do it by now 5. So here 25. If you learn properly 1 to 10. So 125 is here. So we can go further. 5 n. 1, 1. So cube root of that is 3 the power 3 and 5 the power 3 and cube root sign we have to write. Now 3 the power 3 5 the power 3 what we have to do? That is 3 multiplied by 5 that is 15. So 3375 is 3375 is cube root of 15. Cube root of 3375 is 15. Cube root of 3375 is 15. Cube of 15 is 3375. That's the written statement. So I think you have to write this and then we go for 8000 and then we have to go from 138 to 5. Write this when you are visualizing the video, you have to write it. I think you have written it. Now we have to go for 8000 already 4 digit and 5 digit. So 4 digit already one sum we have completed. Now we have to do 8000 is easy, so you can do it yourself. And I am explaining now third sum that is 13825. 13824. So I have to write 13824. Now we have to start viewing because unit place is 4. So we can do it by 2. Unit place is 4, so we can do it by 2. 2 6 are 12, 18, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are into 2 are half. 13,000 half is 6,500, 800 half is 400, and 20 is 12. Now again unit place is 2, so I have to divide it by 2. 2 3 are 2, 4 are 2, 5 are and 2, 6 are. Again divided by 2, 2 1 are 2, 7 are 2, 2 are 2, 8. Again now unit place is we can do it by 2, 2 8 are 2, 6 are and 2, 4 are. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12. Again we have to do by 2, 2 4 are 2 3 are 2. Again by 2, 2 1 and 6. So if you will see 2 1 6, it means it is a 6, but we have to do it by prime factor. So we have to again do it by 2, that is 1 0 8 again to 54. Now again 54. So 54 again by 2 27. So here it is 27. So it is 3. So 3 9 3 3 3 1. So if you will see properly, first of all you have to write now 3 8 2 4 and cube root. So try to complete yourself now. Try to complete yourself. So what we have to write now? That is 1, 2, 3. It is 2 to the power 3. Again 1, 2, 3 to the power 3. Again 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Again to the power 3 and to the power 3. So it is called prime factor. Now if I have to remove this, that is 2. If I remove this cube root sign, then 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, they are 24. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 they are 24. So cube root of 13824 is 13824 is 24. So I think in your set 7.2 exercise is there, and in 7.2 there are 10 sums. And out of 10, 64, 125, 216 are there. So we can easily do it. So that is sufficient for today's lecture. Now try to complete this exercise 7.2 because 7.2 question 1 is important. Others are only true and false. Now in the next lecture we can discuss the shortcut method how to find out cube root. Thank you.